thinking about the things I miss. When night comes around, it's for familiar skies I wish. When will I see you again? Sweet, the days of youth and no refrain. You spread a little sunshine and then pour on the rain. When will I feel you again? And the windward skies sing lullabies to me. Shine when you want, rain while you can. I'll understand, I really, really do. Light up the night over Makapuu and blow with all your might. Believe Kaneo is safe and keep Kailua alive. From Laie to Nalo, let your love shine. When the mist and morning dew blanket the windward rain, and the cold long range stand tall and signals the way, I will return on that sweet day. And the windward skies sing lullabies to me. Shine when you want, rain while you can. I'll understand, I really, really do. And the windward skies, they make me sigh and feel so blue. Now that I'm away, I'm left to counting days. Please understand that when I cry for you. Some days I can't shake these blues. That's when I'm longing for you. And the windward skies sing lullabies to me. Shine when you want, rain while you can. I'll understand, I really, really do. And the windward skies, they make me sigh and feel so blue. Now that I'm away, I'm left to counting days. Please understand that when I cry for you. Some days I can't shake these blues. That's when I'm longing for you. There's so many things I want to talk about. So many places I want to see. But the only place that I would rather be is driving down on the windward side, down on the North Shore with a tropical sunrise. My heart is yearning be home in the islands, where the trade wind blows a kiss. Hello, I'm home. Yes, I long to be back home in the islands. Though I'm so far away, I'd still call my island home. So many things have changed, I now realize. Things I never could foresee. Yet the island life will always be for me. Like surfing all day long on the leeward side, Waikiki sunsets on the beach. My heart is yearning, crying, calling for these. How I long to be home in the islands, where the trade wind blows a kiss.